Ooh! Ooh! It's an automatic driving, dude. Oh my god, he about hopped the wall.
Almost flipped that bitch.
Damn Mexicans.
Milk.
Hey, you're driving on the wrong side of the road.
You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good.
I swear if you fucking merge,
Stupid ass truck. Hell yeah, turn his bitch ass.
put him in the water.
There's no catch fence there. You
Don't
could've
run
went
over
down.
the stuff. Why are you running over the stuff for?
Blame
He aimed for that one.
one.
And that one.
You better be hoping to total this bitch.
Go fucking ram into his truck.
Yeah. Oh no, what's that?
Dumbass, dude, what the fuck?
I hope he died.
Clouds
You got-
were looking quirky though.
He got distracted by the tornado.
What the fuck is this, dude? What kind of intro is that? That's wild.
Hit that bus. You gonna flip?
Yo,
Wow.
this is the GT San Andreas theme. Oh my god!
the brakes.
Come on, fucking morons.
It's about to be a 5-car wreck. Oh.
California be like,
High-tech smog? What the fuck? Why does it say high-tech smog? Why they... Oh no.
Does that say
Ooh.
pomegranate?
yeah.
Oh!
Yeah. No pomegranate!
Uh-oh.
Oh!
Oh,
Get the
car's
fuck-
on fire,
get the fucking
David.
fire
Oh my
extinguisher.
god. Oh my god, look at that truck.
Look at that Walgreens.
Look at that Walgreens.
Alright,
Turn
bud.
this
Yep.
bitch. I'm turning this bitch.
Got the cigarette in hand.
Yeah, dude, keep turning into him. Hell yeah, that's what I do. Yeah.
What is going on?
Hell yeah. Fuck them, dude.
I just drive away, dude. Fuck
Please
that.
drive off. Oh,
Oh, god
pussy.
damn it. You should've drove away, bitch.
Why would you drive away?
I guess they deserved it. They
Probably
didn't
some crack hose. What the fuck they gonna do to him besides maybe give him an STD?
even-
Oh my, what's that? Oh, no, it's a truck
Please
party.
I love my country.
These
America.
colors don't run.
Is that supposed to be a wiper? It was a stick.
Oh shit! Oh, that's just tough.
Maybe if you had wipers, you'd see that coming.
Hey,
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
What are we listening to on the radio?
Oh,
This is some weird hentai.
why'd you hit him
Bumps him
again?
one more time.
if there is somebody in the passenger seat, they're dead. Oh, he turned him!
Oh my God.
No.
Oh my god, is that the Kodak logo?
Kmart. Oh, the Kmarts are that way, all of them.
They got so poor they had to like sell the one part of the K, but you still figure it out.
Oh!
Oh no!
Oh,
Oh.
no!
God, I don't know. But
This NPR radio?
like, it's
Not slowing down at all!
Dude, that guy didn't say a coherent thing that entire time.
Oh!
Oh
My
my god!
Alright.
Way to kill a bunch of people.
That rearranged their organs.
Oh no no!
Where
no,
are we
no,
going?
No no no! Oh!
I hope that driver died.
It's lucky. Tristan!
Oh!
What? He deserves it.
You're lucky that wasn't. Not you, but they're lucky it was the truck that got hit and not the car and got hit by the truck. Like that one woman that got fucking
Dude, these guys
decapitated
would
at the
get
waist.
plowed too. What is
Yeah.
it plowing at each other's video?
Oh my god.
Oh, come on.
That's some lack of spatial awareness I've only seen in sim racing.
Yeah, on God.
Anja.
I'll turn right without looking.
Chicago! Jesus!
Dale Jr. had a right front go down.
Oh,
Oh, she hit the pole!
no!
What time are you at right now?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, so keep
Oh,
keep
03, 04, 06.
Oh no.
Oh no!
7, 08, 09,
Yeah, you good.
You're like 1 second behind if you want to click like a second
10,
ahead.
11,
15, 16,
15.
17. Oh,
18. Okay, oh god.
Her thing
purple.
popped open in the back.
What the fuck?
we're in fucking Uganda.
Oh, no.
Understeer.
And
Hey, yo, bro,
0.03
let's
kilometers an hour. That's almost the legal limit.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh shit!
Did he
How?
hit that tire that's turned out?
Something very stiff.
That was bad. That was
I
something
mean-
You're
fierce.
gonna hit the Poe. Oh no, forklift. Who's gonna come tumbling into your... What happened?
What is... Bro, this is all sorts of stupid right here. They have...
Oh my god! What the fuck?
Holy shit!
Oh, what the
Jesus Christ.
hell? Well, I gotta go back to that at the end of the video. I know what to expect now. Holy shit.
What happened
Oh, he was
there?
just laying down. I thought he slipped and
Yeah,
fell.
me too.
He was gonna work on
My
the-
man's is coming in hot!
Whoa!
Oh, he cleaned that shit out.
Yo,
Jesus
he went to the
Christ.
garage at terminal velocity.
Holy
That dude in the
goddamn.
orange, or in the yellow.
He wiped
Yeah.
it out, bro.
And it's the big one in
I'm
Talladega.
waiting for that car to return in the frame in pieces.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
You still might, never mind. Oh,
Oh.
Oh.
that's just unfortunate. I feel like I've seen that clip in Driver's Ed or something.
You know they make
that a
Kia
turbo?
Souls
Oh.
in manual?
Crane's coming
That's
over.
unfortunate.
Oh,
Jared
they're dead.
Mackey, no.
Jared, no! Oh my god!
We've now come to the Jared portion of the video.
What the hell is he doing?
Dipshit. Oh my god.
If it's taken that long to fall, the person in the car is no longer at any fault.
Shit, he was about to drive right in front.
You better be on a bike.
Oh, boy, watch out, boy. Ow.
Okay,
Dumb
that
bitch.
what a fucking
I-
dick.
I
Dude,
would
fight
have punched
them.
the window, dude.
What happened?
They're in a straight lane. Wait, are they?
It's a straight and a left.
Yeah, so what's this guy fucking upset about? Did no one else
Oh, here we
realize?
go. Biker police.
This is someone who got turned down from the police force.
Bro,
Wow,
somebody
why?
play old in the Buick, man. Just let him be.
Get out and beat his ass.
Close as fuck. What is he talking about?
Dude, they could barely.
Good. That's what you fucking get. You absolute tool.
My God, that just
That Buick
actually
was
happened.
barely even close to that.
Depth perception, 0.
He's gonna blame the Buick for that too. Cause that's the type of person
that
he
just
probably is.
happened.
Oh my god.
Holy shit, he just blew the mirror off.
That's enough for a concussion.
Yo, is this Need for Speed 2015?
Hope this bridge collapses.
Constantly raining and at
Oh
night.
no.
Oh god. Oh.
Oh shit! Oh fuck!
Someone's gonna come around the corner at like 95.
YPD?
Pop, pop.
Oh,
There he is.
I think this is our friend
no,
here.
He's gonna get destroyed. He's dead.
You better move it
He's
way
dead.
out.
Oh.
He got really lucky that other car came into the
Now
frame.
look what you done.
The bigger the truck, the freer the market, the freer the people.
Where is this?
That looks cute.
Except for that wreck.
Up.
No, that's still cute. Look at them sparks.
Looks like New York because of the plates.
That better not be Atticus Bridge.
God damn.
Attica type beat. Attica, no!